He is Dave. He lives with his wife in a one-bedroom apartment. She is his wife, Arya.
Thanks, Arya. You made a delicious breakfast.
I used cheese in your omelet. You know cheese is very expensive.
Don't worry about the money. I earn for us.
Your salary is less. You are not promoted as well.
We can't buy happiness with money. I have you. I have our son.
Honey, our stove is broken. Can you fix it?
You have to manage, honey. I will bring a handyman next week.
Fine, Dave. I have no other choice.
Good morning, Dad.
Hey, Kevin. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Dad. Where are you going?
I am going to the office.
Dad, I told you I wanted a new backpack.
I will buy you a new one next week. I promise, my son.
You said this last time, Dad. You brought me a backpack last year. All of my friends have new backpacks. I want a new one.
Don't be upset. I promise I will buy you a new one this week.
Okay, Dad. I love you.
I love you too, my son. Okay, honey. I have to go. See you.
See you.
She is Anna. She is very rich and strict.
You don't know how to make food. You made me really angry.
I am sorry, madam. I made delicious food.
Shut up. I don't need you. You can go now.
Please don't do this. I need this job.
You are fired. Get out.
Please, madam.
I said get out.
Why were you shouting, my sweetie?
Nothing, Dad. I fired our maid.
Sweetie, why did you do that? You have fired 7 maids.
I just don't like their work.
Why did you fire this maid?
She added 2 spoons of sugar in my tea.
Come on, sweetie. That was not a big mistake. She was a great maid.
I just don't like her. Are you ready to go to the office?
No, sweetie. I have to go somewhere. Can you attend my meeting today?
Yeah, sure, Dad. I can do it. Hello, I am Anna. I can't meet you today. I have to go to the office.
We were going shopping today.
We will go tomorrow. See you.
Okay, my dear friend. Take care.
What happened?
I don't know. Can I stop this car and check it?
Okay, stop the car. What's the matter?
I am sorry, madam. I have to take this car to the garage. I don't know, madam. This car is not starting now.
What kind of driver are you? You know I have an important meeting today. What should I do now? I need to go to the office.
I can't see any taxi here. You can wait in the car.
Shut up. This is our best client. I have to attend this meeting on time.
Madam, there is a bus station over there. You can take a bus.
Have you lost your mind? I have never traveled on a bus before.
This is the easiest way to go to the office.
You are fired. I don't need you.
No, please don't do this. I need this job.
You are a useless driver. You put me in this situation.
Please forgive me. I will be careful.
You should have thought about it before.
Please, madam. You know I live in an apartment. I have to pay the rent.
That's not my headache. Take this car to the garage.
I will ask for advance salary. I have to buy a backpack for my son. I want to give every happiness to my family. I don't know when my boss will promote me.
I can't wait anymore. I have to attend my meeting. I have to get on a bus. Oh God. This is the worst day of my life.
Excuse me, can I sit on your seat? I am pregnant.
So what? I can't stand here. I can't give you my seat.
I am in pain. Please do me a favor.
I said no. Stop talking now.
How rude she is. I hate these people.
Please sit here. You can take my seat.
Thanks. You are too kind.
He is a very kind person. Who is he? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, madam.
Should we start our meeting?
We are waiting for Mr. Dave.
Who is Dave? He should be here.
He is a great employee of this company.
Where have you been? You are late for the meeting.
Oh no. Has our boss come?
No, his daughter came. She is going to join this meeting.
I heard she is very strict.
Yes, she has fired so many workers. God save you.
I have to go. See you.
I can't wait anymore. Let's start this meeting.
Okay, madam, as you want.
I don't know who Dave is. I have to fire him.
I'm here. I am sorry for being late.